In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make root symbol in Microsoft Word with Shortcut Key. If you need to insert a square root symbol in Microsoft Word, you can do it quickly using a keyboard shortcut instead of searching through the symbol menu. This is especially useful when you're working with mathematical equations or formulas. First, open Microsoft Word and place your cursor where you want the square root symbol to appear. To insert the square root symbol using a shortcut, hold down the Alt key and type 251 on the numeric keypad. After entering the number, release the Alt key. The square root symbol should now appear in your Word document. If you're using a laptop or keyboard without a dedicated numeric keypad, you can also use Word's built-in Unicode shortcut. Type 221A where you want the symbol to appear. After typing 221A, press Alt and X together. Microsoft Word will convert the Unicode code into the square root symbol. For example, type 221A, then press Alt and X, and Word will change the code into square root. This method is particularly useful when you're working with mathematical content because you can insert the symbol directly while typing. If you want to create a complete square root expression, you can also use Word's equation feature. Place your cursor where you want the equation, then use the equation tools to create a properly formatted mathematical expression. However, if you only need the square root symbol itself, the keyboard shortcuts are much quicker. Keep in mind that when using the Alt and 251 shortcut, you need to enter the numbers using the numeric keypad. The number keys along the top of the keyboard may not produce the same result. The Unicode method using 221A, followed by Alt and X, is another convenient option because it works directly within Microsoft Word and doesn't require you to search through the list of symbols. Once the square root symbol has been inserted, you can continue typing your document as normal. And that's how you can make a root symbol in Microsoft Word using a simple shortcut key. You can use either Alt and 251 with the numeric keypad, or type 221A and press Alt and X to quickly insert the square root symbol. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,